Hello beautiful people and welcome to my channel. So today I have to tell you something. First of all, as you can see, that's my laptop and this is my monitor. And by the way, I have a review on my channel with this monitor. That's not important. The important thing is that for a few weeks I didn't have a laptop stand or a laptop cooler, and I had to improvise something basically. Let me show you. This is my laptop and I don't know if you can see it under it, but I have two books, okay? So yeah, that was not okay for my laptop, and I've had many overheating issues. So that's why I got something. As you can see, this is the Trust laptop stand with two cooler fans, and we're gonna do an unboxing and review for this product. I'm very curious to see if it's gonna do anything. A lot of people on the website that I got it said that it's gonna decrease the temperatures for I don't know, for something like 10 to 15 degrees. I hope that's gonna be right and not gonna have any more overheating issues. And I hope that with this laptop stand, I'm gonna fix those issues. So yeah, let's get right on with the unboxing and let's see what is inside. Okay, so as you can see here, we have the Trust laptop stand. This one has got, as you can see, two cooling fans, and I'm very curious if it's gonna make a difference. The price for this laptop stand was around 25 bucks, and as I said previously, a lot of people said that it was great. Temperatures were going down when using it, so I'm very curious. The one thing that we are gonna test out, and I'm very concerned about it, is that as you can see, the maximum size laptop, they say that it's 17.3 inches. My laptop, it's a very big one. Display, it's also 17.3 inches or something like that. But we are gonna test it out in just a second. It says that it's got tilted design. Hopefully it's gonna tilt you know, to us, and it's gonna give us a better typing experience. And also one thing that I appreciated, it's got an extra USB port, so when you plug in, let me show you on the back. So when you plug in the cooler, you are basically gonna have another USB. It's got two USB power fans, and this is how hopefully it's gonna look my laptop. This is the box, a very simple box, you know, we just got a cooler, so yeah, it's not that important, but yeah, I hope that it's gonna do something, at least to stop my laptop from crashing the games and stuff like that. So yeah, let's open this box. Okay, let's cut this thing, and we have two, let's say, pull tabs over here. We have another one, and let's see how it's gonna open. Okay, so yeah, the box is you know, just cheap materials and stuff like that. The thing is that it wasn't that expensive. I saw that you know, there were a lot of other options, very expensive for me, like 50 bucks for a laptop stand. Also, you know, I'm trying to get the best bang for your buck. So yeah, let's take it out of the box. Okay, so this is the stand, and in the box we have nothing. We have a little bit of plastic over here. You know, if you like ASMR, we are gonna you know, just play with this a little bit, okay? And let's take it out of this little plastic. Oh, that was satisfying. Let's do it again. Let's see. Okay, nice. I really like that. And we have a little book. Let's see. Trust legal compliance information, Azul laptop cooling stand. Okay, that's really interesting, but not for me. And yeah, no one is gonna read that probably. Let's get on with the cooler, and it's better to look at it than to read all of that stuff. So you know, the build quality, it feels you know, sturdy. It's not gonna bend, and that's one thing that I really like. I don't like the little wire that you can see over there. It looks really cheap. And also the fans, yeah, I can't you know, just turn them around. It says on the right side Trust, and yeah, here we have the two cooling fans. The side, you know, it's just plastic, really sturdy in my opinion. And on the back we can see the coolers, and you know, as you can see, this is not a high quality product or something like that. That's why we have you know, the little cable over there. It's not that pretty. The one thing that I don't really like about this stand is that you have just one position. As you can see, if you don't like this position, well, that's it. Basically, you're not gonna get more positions. Here we have the USB cable, just the basic USB, and here you have another one, just in case you want to plug more things, and the cooler is gonna occupy one USB slot. And yeah, this is the cable. And okay, I think I just broke it. Okay, so this is the stand and the cooler, and I'm gonna bring my laptop and we are gonna see how it's gonna sit. As you can see, a laptop with 17.3 inches is gonna fit just okay, I think. And yeah, let's plug it in. Okay, let's look at it. Oh, gamer-like. It's, you know, like the 2010s gamers with just blue lights, not RGB or something like that. And yeah, it doesn't look really great with my red keyboard and the blue over here, but if it's gonna do something for my laptop, I hope that it's gonna just cool it. And you know, if you know the RGB and what it really means, basically, if you want performance from your laptop, you should always pick the red color, and if you want cooling, you should always pick the blue color. Yeah. So let's take out my laptop because I'm curious how it looks like. My hand is really cold from it, and I really like it. Probably when in my dorm room it's gonna be like 40 degrees or more, I'm gonna just hold it to my hand or to my face, and probably it's gonna cool me. It's doing its job. I can feel the cooling, and yeah, it's not that you know, cold or something like that. It's not like an AC or something, you know, relatable to that. But I hope that it's gonna do something for my laptop. At least I can hope that. This was my unboxing and review for the Trust laptop stand with two cooling fans. And also I think it's by Azul, or the name is Azul. I don't really know. But yeah, this was the unboxing and the review for this product. I hope you like it. Catch you guys in the next video. This is really cool because it's cooling. Okay. So yeah, this is the end of the video. I hope you like it, and I hope that they helped you just a little bit. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be well, be safe.